Good morning, all medicos. This is our second video on MCQs of General Pharmacology. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Like our video and share it with your friends and colleagues. These questions are lengthy, but do not skip the video. All questions are very important and asked in previously exams like FMG, NEET PG. So go through all the questions. Do not skip, please. Let's begin. Question number 11. Antagonisms shown by drug A and B in the following dose response curve is option A competitive antagonism, option B non-competitive antagonism, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A competitive antagonism. The parallel rightward shift of agonist dose response curve of seen with competitive antagonism. In non-competitive antagonism, there will be flattening of the agonist dose response curve. Question number 12. The therapeutic index is an assessment of option A potency of a drug, option B onset of action, option C duration of action, option D margin of safety. The correct answer is D, margin of safety. The gap between the therapeutic effect and adverse effect of dose response curve defines the safety margin or the therapeutic index of the drug. Question number 13. The therapeutic index is measured by option A ED50 by LD50, option B LD50 by ED50, option C ED50 minus LD50, option D ED50 into LD50. The correct answer is median lethal dose upon median effective dose. The general formula of therapeutic index equal to median lethal dose upon median effective dose. What is median lethal dose? Dose of the drug at which 50% of the experimental animals die, known as median lethal dose. Larger median lethal dose means safer drugs. What is median effective dose? Dose of the drug at which 50% of the experimental animals show the specific or desired effect. Smaller median effective dose means safer drug, and larger median effective dose means less safer drug. Question number 14. Therapeutic drug monitoring TDM is done for all except option A phenytoin, option B metformin, C tacrolimus, D cyclosporine. The correct answer is B metformin. Metformin does not require TDM because it does not have low therapeutic index. TDM done for which drugs? The mnemonics is a drug possessing low therapeutic index. TDM done for a drug possessing low therapeutic index. A means antibiotics, drugs digoxin possessing phenytoin, low lithium therapeutic TCA. TCA means tricyclic antidepressant, index immunosuppressant drugs cyclosporine and tacrolimus. Question number 15. All of the following drugs are contraindicated in patients with G6PD deficiency except option A furazolidine, option B nitrofurantoin, option C sulfonamides, D ceftriaxone. The correct answer is D ceftriaxone. Drugs which are contraindicated in G6PD deficiency are mnemonics funny soup, furazolidine, nitrofurantoin, sulfonamides, primaquine. Question number 16. Sphere receptors are best defined by option A the receptors for binding of inverse agonist, option B the receptors which remain unoccupied even after produce maximal response, option C the receptors for binding of orphan drugs, option D the receptors that produce adverse drug effects. The correct answer is B. Sphere receptors are best defined by the receptors which remain unoccupied even after produce maximal response. Sphere receptors are receptors that exist in excess of the required amount for maximal response of the full agonist. Question number 17. What does the area between the dotted line in graph indicated? Option A, median effective dose. Option B, median lethal dose. Option C, therapeutic index. Option D, therapeutic window. The correct answer is D, therapeutic window. Therapeutic window expresses the range of concentration at which efficacy is high and the probability of adverse effect is low. Question number 18. The dose of the test drug in phase 0 studies usually do not exceed option A 1000 microgram, option B 1000 milligram, option C 100 microgram, option D 100 milligram. The correct answer is C 100 microgram. Phase 0 studies are also called as microdosing studies. Very low doses of drugs, usually 1:100th of the estimated human dose or a maximum of 100 microgram is used in phase 0 studies. Question number 19. Healthy human volunteers are taken in option A phase 1st of clinical trial, option B phase 2nd of clinical trial, option C phase 3rd of clinical trial, option D phase 4th of clinical trial. The correct answer is option A phase 1st of clinical trial. Healthy human volunteers are taken in phase 1st of clinical trial. In other clinical trials, phase 2nd, phase 3rd and phase 4th, patients are taken, not healthy human volunteers are taken. Question number 20. The following are given intradermally except option A test dose of drugs, option B insulin, option C BCG vaccine, option D Mantox text. The correct answer is B insulin. Insulin is usually given subcutaneously or intravenously, rarely intramuscularly, but not intradermally. Thanks for watching. I know these questions are very lengthy. You should not skip lengthy questions because these are very important for next exam, for NEET PG, for FMG. You should subscribe our channel for more videos, like our video, share it with your friends, your colleagues. Read best and give best. Grow with us. Thank you so much.